Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Pantene's Pro V 3-Minute Miracle Daily Conditioner. This daily conditioner is for softer, shinier hair and healthy, hydrated hair. For more awesome videos, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get this review started. This particular daily conditioner demonstrates that this is a daily moisture renewal daily conditioner, and as well it shows that it's for softer and shinier hair. So for those people that have dry hair or unhealthy hair, this will be a really great conditioner that you can use daily while you're taking a shower, and will show that your hair is improving as you're using this product. On the back of this specific daily conditioner, it says 3-Minute Miracle Daily Conditioner, our gold standard in moisture renewal. Supercharge your routine with Pantene's powerful conditioning formula for healthy, hydrated hair. So it's proving that it is for healthy and hydrated hair. The directions are: apply to clean, wet hair in the shower starting at the tips and work towards roots. Leave on for 3 minutes. Rinse. Use daily to address your hair's needs. So from this, it's saying that you have to leave this specific conditioner on your hair for 3 minutes. If you don't follow these particular steps, you will not see any change on your hair. And if you do follow these steps, you will see a tremendous change on your soft and shiny hair. If you guys want to see how the quality or texture from this specific conditioner looks like, as I'm squeezing it out, you can see that it has like a white texture of it, and it's not the same texture as the Suave products that we recently reviewed. And from this, I can also tell you that it has a really good odor from it. As I mentioned before, mostly all the Suave products smells good, but this one is like a really good smell. From this, I can tell you that purchase this particular item, that is the 3-Minute Miracle Daily Conditioner, if you are that type of person that has really extra dry hair and wants to improve their hair by just purchasing this particular conditioner, and that consists of soft, shiny, healthy and hydrated hair. And as I told you before, just follow these particular steps and you will have a long journey with this particular conditioner, and you will see a tremendous improvement on this conditioner. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. Bye.